Hi guys, we're going to look at converting of our units again, but this time we're going to look at area and volume, and we'll have a look at that in a second. But let's first look back to our problem we had before. So we had this wall where we found the area, which was 17.5 meters squared, and I said that I wanted to paint it. So I went down to the store, found some paints, but on the tin it says that it can paint 190,000 centimeters squared of area. What I want to know is, will this be enough paint to cover the wall? So to do that, I need to convert my units into the right sort of units, or the same units. So here we have meters squared, and we've got centimeters squared. So I need to make those the same. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how to do that. And we can do that simply just by using a conversion chart. So this looks like the chart we had before, except there's a key difference. And you can see it here, we have little twos. Because when we think about area, it's the units are squared. These same things here, these are going to be squared. So the numbers are the same because there's millimeters, centimeters. There's 10 of them. There's 100 centimeters in a meter, and there's 1,000 meters in a kilometer. So those numbers are the same. It's just this squared part. So let's look at an example. So let's say if I wanted to have 5 kilometers squared and I wanted to convert it to meters squared, we'll do the same as what we did before. So we're going from kilometers to meters. So we just follow the arrow. And we know that there's 100 meters in a kilometer, so we're timesing by 1,000, but it's not just 1,000, we need to times it by 1,000 squared. So that's just 5 times 1,000 times by 1,000, so there's 2 lots of 1,000s. And if you put that in your calculator, that will give you that big number, 5 million. Alright, let's say we had 1,200 centimeters squared, and we want to get into meters squared. So we're at centimeters and we're going to meters. So this we're dividing, and we're dividing by 100 squared. So remember, squared is times by itself. So it's 1,200 divided by 100 divided by 100. So we have 2 lots of 100s. And when you put that in your calculator, it's going to give you 0.12 meters squared. So let's go back to our wall here. So we've got our wall. First, we want to convert our centimeters. So 190,000 centimeters squared into meters squared. So if looking at our conversion charts, there's 100 meters, so there's 100 centimeters in a meter. And because we're going up, we're dividing. So we're going to divide it by 100 squared. So if you put that in your calculator, so 190,000 divided by 100 divided by 100, it will give you 19 meters squared. And we're not done there because that's just the answer, but we haven't answered the questions. The question says, will this be enough paint to cover the wall? Well, we need 17.5 meters squared, and we have 19 meters squared, so yes, that will be enough paint. Looking at volume, we can do the same things. So, same concepts, we still have our same numbers, but this time, because we have volumed, it's cubed, so we're just going to cube our number. So here will be 1,000 times by 1,000 times by 1,000, so there'll be 3 lots of 1,000s. So let's look at an example. So we've got 3 meters cubed, and we want to put it into centimeters cubed. So we're at meters cubed, we're going to centimeters, so it's times by 100 cubes. So it needs times by 100 cubed. And then it's 3 times 100 times 100 times 100, because there's 3 of them. And then you can put that in your calculator, and you should get 3 million centimeters cubed. And we're going to get big numbers. So because we're either cubing it for volume or squaring it, we're going to get really big numbers or really small numbers. So don't be worried about that. If you have any questions, come see me in class, guys. Thanks.